Gas shocks, struts.
Hi, welcome back. And today we going to talk about gas absorbers. This is known for your boots, your bonnets. It's basically a lift assistance and a counterbalance to applications. So you can see there we have 4 gas lifters or struts, and here you can see basically how it's designed on the inside. So we have a piston that moves, and this compresses a fluid which is commonly used as nitrogen, and this assists with lifting and counterbalance. So here we are our source, showing you all the parts that we have connections for, and just some of the special fittings that is needed on the vehicle. Here is the machine mechanism that we're going to be using, pneumatics, in order to pump gas into the shock. And here we are just signing everything off, making sure you get a quality filled gas absorber. So here we are going to showing you some fittings out there. You know, the very hard to find, but we have anything, whatever you need in stock. And here we're showing you how the machine works. So the gas shock is installed. The machine then grips the piston on top where the seal is, and what happens is it forces the nitrogen through the seal in order to refill the shock. So we can do any shock for you, no matter the size, no matter how much force you want injected into the shock as well. And we do it for half the price than what a brand new shock for your vehicle will cost. Whether it is for the boot lid, the bonnet lid, your trailer hatch, toolbox, some doors, the medium doors and so on, and the push-pull mechanisms. So here we're going to be showing you now the difference between a shock that has just been regassed back to its original strength. And this is where you can see the old one, very weak, and the new one, too much force. So once again, you're more than welcome to give us a call. Let us know how we can assist you. There we have our shocks, delivered or regassed, perfectly to go back into whatever vehicle it is you need.